Hi, this is Ram Pravesh, a passionate motorist and tech enthusiast, director of SRS Absolute Technologies Private Limited, a BTech graduate from University of Rajasthan with more than a decade of technology development, diversification and implementation experience along with e-commerce, re-commerce and social media. Other directors are Sujata Kumari, masters with deep management and operational skills. We are DPIIT recognized startup India company providing safety mobility equipments and services under Make in India. End-to-end product, solution and services across the globe with non-stop innovation. We have national and international licenses, certifications, patents, trademark following all compliances. We have a passionate team creating safety and honest ecosystem, transforming every type of outdoor safety with a scalable, affordable products and service altogether across all budget ranges. Motive of the company is smart mobility and extreme security. All-in-one 4G AI dashcam in many form factor designs, varieties with driver assistance, ADAS, DMS, remote live tracking with GPS and Galileo support, 24/7 remote live video streaming, incident reporting, infotainment with flexible and expandable ecosystem using built-in SIM facility, active panic button, providing real-time cloud monitoring service, adding highest safety to individual, association, fleet, personal vehicle, businesses, outdoors, agriculture, government entities, including various industrial applications to promote the honest culture, increasing the productivity with complete peace of mind. This is one of that device. Here SIM card facility, there micro SD support, built-in camera which is expandable with infrared, Play Store and everything. This is with wireless Android Auto, Apple Car, along with the security features Android Play Store and applications. SIM card slot, micro SD card slot, GPS connectivity, front and rear camera, infrared camera compatible or 360-degree into 2 dimension and up to 240-degree third dimension as well. Supports a real-time panic SOS button required for the family concerns, kids safety. All band GPS camera options are there. Lifestyle product, environment-friendly product to reduce the emissions. One of the very important feature is remote monitoring services, which you can see over here on the television. I am sitting in my office and I can see whatever is happening around my car in the parking area. If you like to understand how we are driving, at what speed we are driving, every details are coming. SRS Absolute dash camera have AI capability. So this is all-in-one 4G dashcam in many form factor with driver assistance, ADAS, DMS, remote live tracking with GPS, Galileo support, 24/7 remote live video streaming, incident reporting, infotainment facility with flexible and expandable ecosystem using built-in SIM facility, active panic button, adding highest safety to individual, association such as fleet, personal vehicle, business, outdoors, agriculture, government entities, including various industrial applications to promote the honest culture, increasing productivity with complete peace of mind. Online map, offline map, GPS, beside 24/7 recording and video stream services, live location tracking, incident reporting, also act as a remote surveillance camera while driving or parked. Motion detection camera detect the surrounding movement and send alert to the registered user. Temperature isolation curtains contributes to the lesser fuel wastage, reflecting the ultraviolet. We are a manufacturing company offering various mobility and daily lifestyle products, emphasizing the safety, promoting cooperative driving, minimizing the wastage and contributing to the environment, emphasizing a renewable source of energy. We have strong presence and feedback in e-commerce such as Amazon, Flipkart, JioMart, IndiaMart, Shopify, Fourth Wall, TechnoDrive, SRSABSOLUTE.com, TechnoDrive and SRS Absolute official YouTube channel, working together, creating awareness, all type of road safety and outdoor safety, even beyond the scope. With 100% transparency, our commitment is to reduce all type of road rage, accident, outdoor crimes to a significant level where even there is no infrastructure across every part of the country, contributing to safer, greener environment. Join us. Thank you. Stay tuned.